When local businesses want to improve their visibility online, they often look for a strong SEO platform that can handle everything: keyword research, competitor tracking, site audits, and local rankings. Two big names dominate that conversation: SEMrush and Moz Pro. Both are powerful, both have loyal fans, and both can help your business climb search results. But which one gives you the best all-around value? Let's break it down. SEMrush is known for being an all-in-one marketing powerhouse. It goes far beyond basic SEO. You get tools for keyword research, technical site audits, backlink analysis, rank tracking, and even content optimization. What makes SEMrush stand out is how much data it provides. It tracks millions of keywords and domains, giving you deep insights into what your competitors are doing. You can see which keywords they rank for, what content brings them traffic, and where their backlinks come from. That level of competitive visibility is gold for local businesses trying to outrank others in the same area. SEMrush also has a strong local SEO toolkit. You can track keyword rankings by location, manage your Google Business Profile, and monitor online reviews. There is even a listing management feature that helps you keep your business information consistent across directories. For local businesses that rely on visibility in maps and local packs, that feature alone is a big advantage. Moz Pro takes a slightly different approach. It focuses on making SEO simple and accessible, which is why so many small and local businesses love it. The interface is clean, and the learning curve is gentle. Moz gives you solid keyword research tools, rank tracking, and site audits. You can also monitor backlinks, find new link opportunities, and see how your domain authority stacks up against competitors. Moz's local SEO offering, Moz Local, is designed specifically for local businesses. It helps you manage listings, track local search visibility, and ensure your business information stays accurate across the web. It is simple to set up and great for businesses that just want to improve local search presence without dealing with a complex platform. So which one should you choose? If your local business is growing and you want deep data, competitive insights, and the ability to manage everything from keywords to local listings in one place, SEMrush is the better option. It is built for those who want to dig into analytics and scale their marketing efforts. But if you are just starting out, or you prefer a cleaner, more focused approach that keeps SEO simple and manageable, Moz Pro is a fantastic choice. It is easy to use, accurate, and backed by a trusted name in search optimization. Both tools are powerful and proven. SEMrush gives you the depth and versatility to build a full digital strategy. Moz Pro gives you clarity and focus to strengthen your local search presence. The best choice depends on how deep you want to go, but either way, both can help your business climb the rankings and get noticed by the customers who matter most.